Do you love fruit-flavored cakes? Then you may like this maraschino cherry cake recipe using cake mix. This recipe is flexible and delicious. You can also serve it all year round, but it is best in spring and summertime. Also, this maraschino cherry cake recipe is super easy because it is a boxed cake mix. So with that, you will love the sweet cherry flavor in the cake. Also, the creamy frosting that goes with it. What is maraschino cherry? Commonly used as a delectable garnish for desserts. It is distinct because it is bright red and syrupy sweet. You can conveniently purchase it at grocery stores. Likewise, you can buy online imported classic maraschino cherries. Aside from the customary red, you can buy different fruit colors and flavors, including green, blue, purple, yellow, and orange. Moreover, the modern maraschino cherry is typically more akin to chewy Skittles candies compared to fresh fruits. You can find them in organic foods markets with no artificial preservatives or coloring if you desire natural varieties. So with that, it uses radish juice for color. And it tends to be darker. In addition to that, it is softer. However, it is similarly sweet as the mass market versions. What you will need. Ingredients for cake. 3 pieces of eggs. Half cup of vegetable oil. 3/4 cup of water. 1/4 cup of maraschino cherry juice. Half teaspoon of almond extract. Box of vanilla cake mix about 15.25 ounce. Chopped maraschino cherries. For the cake frosting. Half block or 4 ounces of softened cream cheese at room temperature. 1/3 cup of softened salted butter at room temperature. 2 cups of powdered sugar. Half teaspoon of almond extract. 1 tablespoon of maraschino cherry juice. Step-by-step instructions. For the cake. Step 1. First and foremost, ensure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, using a non-stick cooking spray, grease a 9 by 13-inch pan. Step 2. Afterward, combine all the wet ingredients like eggs, oil, water, maraschino cherry juice, and almond extract with an electric mixer in a large mixing bowl. Then, add the cake mix to the wet ingredients. Step 3. After that, stir and combine the ingredients properly. Using a rubber spatula, scrape off the batter on the side of the bowl to incorporate all the ingredients properly. Step 4. Afterward, fold in the chopped maraschino cherries in the mixture. Then, pour the cherry cake batter into the non-stick baking pan. Step 5. Next, ensure to bake the cake in the oven for about 30 minutes until it cooks thoroughly. After that, insert a toothpick in the middle of the cake to check if the cake is okay. If it comes out clean when removed from the center of the cake, it means the cake is ready. Step 6. Then, take the maraschino cherry cake out of the oven and allow it to cool completely before frosting. For the frosting. Step 1. Before anything else, blend and combine the softened cream cheese and butter in a large bowl. Step 2. Then, gradually add the powdered sugar, setting the mixer to low to avoid the sugar from flying everywhere. Step 3. After that, put the almond extract and maraschino cherry juice into the mixture. Then, mix till you can achieve a smooth consistency. When assembling the cake. Step 1. Take the cooled cake and spread the frosting using an offset spatula. Then, garnish the cake with maraschino cherries. Step 2. Afterward, refrigerate the assembled cake and serve. Tips and tricks. The almond extract is necessary for this recipe to have that extra tasty flavor. However, if you cannot find almond extract or do not like almond extract, you can leave it out. Then, add vanilla extract. Additionally, make sure to use a softened cream cheese at room temperature for the frosting to become smooth. Moreover, it would help to use a store-bought cream cheese frosting if you desire. Add a little maraschino juice and almond extract. For storing this cake, you can cover the cake and refrigerate it. It will last 3 days inside the refrigerator. You can also freeze it. Just place them in an airtight container to make it last up to 3 months. Also, rather than dumping the wet and dry ingredients at once, it is better to add them alternately. With that, in 2 or 3 additions starting and ending with dry ingredients, and stirring when combining. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.